Protoceratops, whose name means first horned face, was a genus of herbivorous ceratopsian dinosaur that lived during the Late Cretaceous period, approximately 75 to 71 million years ago. This relatively small dinosaur inhabited what is now the Gobi Desert of Mongolia, and was first discovered during the famous Central Asiatic expeditions, led by Roy Chapman Andrews in the 1920s. Protoceratops was a modest-sized dinosaur, measuring about 1.8 to 2.5 meters, 6 to 8 feet, in length and standing about 0.6 meters, 2 feet, tall at the hip. It weighed around 180 to 400 kilograms, 400 to 900 pounds. Unlike its later, larger relatives such as Triceratops, Protoceratops lacked the prominent horns that characterize many ceratopsians. Instead, it had a distinctive frill extending from the back of its skull, which was likely used for display and species recognition rather than defense. The skull of Protoceratops was large in proportion to its body and bore a short, thick nasal bone that some scientists believe may have supported a small horn made of keratin, though this remains speculative. Its beak-like mouth was well adapted for slicing through tough plant material, and it possessed a series of teeth at the back of its jaws for grinding vegetation. One of the most fascinating aspects of Protoceratops is the abundance of fossils that have been discovered, representing individuals at various growth stages. This has allowed paleontologists to study its growth patterns and population structure in detail. The discovery of Protoceratops nests with eggs and embryos has provided valuable insights into its reproductive behavior and early development. Protoceratops lived in a semi-arid environment, likely populated by scrubby vegetation and crossed by seasonal streams. It probably lived in herds, which would have offered some protection against predators such as the contemporary theropod Velociraptor. In fact, one of the most famous fossils ever discovered is that of a Protoceratops and Velociraptor locked in combat, providing direct evidence of predator-prey interactions in the Late Cretaceous. The abundance of Protoceratops fossils in Mongolia has led to it being nicknamed the sheep of the Cretaceous, highlighting its likely role as a common herbivore in its ecosystem. Its fossils have also played a significant role in Mongolian culture, potentially inspiring the mythical griffin of Central Asian folklore. Protoceratops became extinct at the end of the Cretaceous period, along with many other dinosaur species, during the mass extinction event that occurred about 66 million years ago. However, its legacy lives on in the fossil record and in our understanding of ceratopsian evolution. Today, Protoceratops continues to be an important subject of study for paleontologists. Its well-preserved and abundant fossils provide valuable information about dinosaur growth, behavior, and ecology. As a more primitive ceratopsian, Protoceratops also offers crucial insights into the evolution of this diverse and successful group of dinosaurs, helping scientists to better understand the development of features like frills and horns in later ceratopsians.